Okay, let's begin our biodegradable materials, and this is by our doctor, Mr. Chen. He is for our make the production. Okay, welcome to our Dawn Bros. This is our Dr. Chen. He will begin with our introduction from the development and application. And first, we will start from the background, modification, development, and application, and also from the materials. And the part one, the background of the biodegradable materials, and the useful of plastics has greatly enriched the human materials life, but at the same time it has been brought serious harmful to the natural environmental, and also entered the cycle of the food chain. And in China, in January, the National Development and Reform Commission also issued the plastic rejection order, and also this year, in January, no degradable plastic bags, also plastic tablewares and disposable plastic straws will be banned. And in July last year, the National Development and Reform Commission, the Ministry of Economical, Environmental, and other line departments jointly issued the notice on solid promotion of the plastic pollution control work. And next year, and in the European and Asia also issued the plastic ban, such as South Korea, Japan, Canada, Thailand, and so many countries. Okay, let's begin with the types of degradable plastic. For the degradable plastic, we have the three parts. The green is totally biodegradable plastic, and the red 100% degradable, but because it has the pollution to the environmental, but the blue part is also 100% pollution to the environmental. For example, it is the blending of starch, water, flour, and also petroleum-based plastic. It is partial degradable. It means that in the blue part, it is partial degradable plastic, not the totally. But the green part, biodegradable materials, like in Dawn, such as our PBAT, PLA, it is the totally degradable. In this part, we will from the four parts. Please look at the green and the blue is also from the renewable resource. It is from the plants and animals. And the yellow and the red, it is from the non-renewable resources. It is the raw-based materials is also petroleum, and the green PLA, PHA, Bio PBS, it is the totally degradable materials. But the blue and the red, it is the pollution to the environmental. It is from the petroleum. The yellow one, it is from the petroleum resource. It can be biodegradable. From this picture, we will know that only the green parts degradable materials and a totally biodegradable plastic. He has the character of the excellent thermal permanence and perception. After being discarded, it can be discarded into the smart materials without pollution to the environmental. This is the principle of a biodegradable technology. And in our life, biodegradable materials, it is closely to our life. In China, we ban the broken coal. It is close to our life. Okay, let's go to the part 2. This is the development. And in 2018, we established, has evolved in the biodegradable material project. And in 2019, we don't cooperated with the Peking University of the Science and Technology and other countries. And in 2010, we have forms the production of biodegradable modified materials and develop the business exchange with other companies. And in 2021, we have two phases with the production of the 120,000 metric ton. And in the downstream, we also purchase the film blowing factories and also build the biodegradable industry park. We also realized the building the whole industry. Okay, let's begin the basic development. It is the PLA, PBAT, PBC, PBS, and also PHA. PLA was modified for its own defects such as 7 brightness, poor heat resistance, and slow crystallization rates. For example, PBAT has a good decryptable and touchable, and as a PLA modifier, it can be improved the mechanical property of PLA. And PBS has the good mechanical properties and also heat resistance. It can be used as a modified and also for the PLA. Yeah, our biodegradation package film has the character of heat stability, and decryptable rate. For the product development, in Dawn, we have the modified PLA. It is for the extrusion and foaming. We also have modified PLA for the booster and also extrusion bonding. We have the modified PBAT, and injection we have modified PLA. Tubing making, we have the PLA and the PBAT. This material has passed the European biodegradable certification. The 3 parts is all in Europe, and also domestic biodegradable certification. The application of the biodegradable materials. Our biomechanical products is also in our Dawn booth. Welcome to our booth. Our booth number is 11F81. Okay, let's begin our introduction. The product biodegradable film modifier. It will be used handbag, garbage bags, and continuous roll bags and food bags. And the next for the logistics transportation. This can be used for express bag, bubble film, and also airbag buffer materials. And the third, it is the agriculture plastic film. The product can be 100% biodegradable after use, and also has the characteristics of the excellent weather resistance and water retention, and also it has good mechanical properties and stable processing entities. These materials can be used for the agriculture plastic film. This is the application for the tableware. From the technical technology, this is the biodegradable extrusion modifier. For example, they have the tableware, tray, straw, and so on. This is 100% biodegradable. According to the customer's requirements, we can supply the high temperature resistance. For example, the carp, it needs the high temperature resistance. This is the durable daily necessity, and this biodegradable injection molding modified materials. It can be used in the flexible handle and also tooth handle and comb. And the third 3D printing modifier materials. Can be used in the various models. It has a character of colorable. And in the future, this material can be used in the fiber textile, for example, the melt blown fabric and suspended novels, and also the application in the biological medicine and engineering plastics. In the future, we will develop of these in this industry. Part 4, it is our biodegradable foaming materials. It is both the biodegradable and also non-biodegradable foaming materials. They have two materials. This is the foaming materials. It is a new high-tech and high-valued product. It is the national key enterprise. It is a new product. We will develop the market by the new product. The product simple we also show in our Dawn booth. That's the foaming principle. The physical foam agent was commonly associated with others, and this is the foamed equipment. In this, the foaming ratio is from 2 to 15, and the vast and also thickness. For appearance, it is the white sheet. It is white, and also it is the sheet. It can be discretable foaming materials. On the left, it is our product named the foaming sheet. And use this sheet, we can produce the tableware and also unfoamed. In our bowls, we have the two samples. One is the foamed and another is non-foamed. We also have the both materials. This is the advantage of PLA foamed materials. It is 100% discretable, and the ratio rate it is 8 times. The lightweight it is more. It has the thermal definition, temperature, and the good low temperature characteristics. And it is also have the excellent heat preservation and also shock absorption. The high foaming ratio and also low cost. It has the high thermal diffusion temperature. We make sure that we will open the market. Okay, that's all.